Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. In today's video, we are going to do some big fountains. And I mean big in two senses. Not only are these both big 500 gram fountains, they are both by Big Fireworks as well. The big Crackle, I love the looks of it. It's got that Terminator-like robot look on the front. I absolutely love good Crackle on fountains. I love Crackle in all of the effects. So the name alone won me over as well. And this thing is big. It's not that heavy, but that really doesn't matter in a fountain. You can still get great effects out. And the other big firework that we got is Vegas, baby. Big fireworks, big 500 gram firework. And let's see how these things look. They both should be great fountains for, you're wrapping up the fountain segment, you're getting ready to start launching some aerials. I'm excited to see how these two big boys look. Hopefully you are too. And I hope you subscribe as well. Vegas, baby. Big Crackle. I did not expect the gold and the colored pearls based off the name on this
I'm really liking this fountain.